How to draw a magic rug. We're going to start off by drawing a wavy line. This will be one side of our magic rug. Then we are going to draw another wavy line just like that one above it. Great job! Those will be the two sides of our magic rug. Now we're going to make the top and bottom by drawing a slightly curved line. Next, we're going to add a tassel on each corner. Great job! 2 more tassels to go. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our magic rug together. Now we're almost done drawing our magic rug, but we're going to add some detail to the middle of the rug. For our design, we're going to make a big square going around the outside, and then we're going to add some shapes in the middle. You can add your design just like ours, or you can make it however you would like. Now we're going to add a big diamond right in the middle of our rug. Then we're going to add an oval near each corner. This is how to draw a magic rug. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you liked step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.